Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Math is Fine. I am teacher Cheryl, and for those who are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and click the notification bell so that whenever I uploaded a new video, you will be notified. Stay tuned! Our lesson for today is all about finding the missing term in a pair of equivalent ratios. Let's define first what is an equivalent ratios. When we say equivalent ratios, these are ratios having the same simplest form. Another way to know if the two ratios are equal is to multiply the means and extremes. If their products are equal, then the two ratios are equivalent. For example, 5:8 is equal to 10:16. To find the answer, let's multiply the means and extremes. So 5 times 16 is equal to 8 times 10. 5 times 16 is equal to 80, and 8 times 10 is equal to 80. Therefore, 5:8 and 10:16 are equivalent ratios. There are two ways to find the missing term in an equivalent ratios. One is by cross multiplication method in a fraction form, and the other one is by multiplying the means and extremes in a proportion. To understand better our lesson, let's study some examples. First is we're going to use the cross multiplication method. Ratios are written in fraction form. For example, 6/n is equal to 12/14. So let's cross multiply. 6 times 14 is equal to 84, and 12 times n is equal to 12n. Why the answer is 12n? It is because if we're going to multiply a number and a letter, then we're going to put them all together. We're going to write first the number before the letter. So 12 times n is equal to 12n. To get the value of n, we're going to eliminate 12. How? By dividing 12 both sides of the equation. So 84 divided by 12 is equal to 7, and 12n divided by 12 is equal to n. Therefore, the value of n is equal to 7. To check whether our answer is correct or not, we're going to use the value of n to our original equation. 6/7 is equal to 12/14, and we're going to cross multiply. 6 times 14 is equal to 84, and 7 times 12 is equal to 84. Therefore, the value of n, which is 7, is correct. Another example. 5/6 is equal to b/18. The missing term is b. By the way, we can use any letter in our English alphabet as a variable in our missing term. So in our second example, we use b as our missing term. So let's cross multiply. 5 times 18, that is equal to 90, and 6 times b is equal to 6b. Then we're going to eliminate 6 by dividing both sides of the equation by 6. So 90 divided by 6 is equal to 15, and 6b divided by 6 is equal to b. Therefore, the value of b is equal to 15. Then let's check. We use the value of b, 15, into our original equation. So 5/6 is equal to 15/18. Then we cross multiply. 5 times 18 is equal to 90, and 15 times 6 is equal to 90 also. Therefore, the value of b, which is equal to 15, is correct. Our next example is we're going to multiply the means and the extremes. Ratios are written in column form. For example, y is to 8 is equal to 12 is to 32. The missing term is y. What will be the value of y so that these two ratios will be equal or proportion? First is we're going to multiply the extremes. Y times 32, that is equal to 32y, and 8 times 12, the answer is equal to 96. Next is we're going to eliminate 32 by dividing 32 both sides of the equation. So 32y divided by 32, that is equal to y, or we cancelled 32, and 96 divided by 32 is equal to 3. Therefore, the value of y is equal to 3. To check whether our answer is correct or not, we're going to use the value of y into our original equation. Y is equal to 3, so 3 is to 8 is equal to 12 is to 32. And we're going to multiply the extremes. 3 times 32, that is equal to 96, and 8 times 12, that is equal to 96 also. So, the two ratios are equal or proportion. Therefore, the value of y is correct. Next example. 4 is to 5 is equal to 8 is to x. So we're going to multiply the extremes. 4 times x is equal to 4x. 5 times 8 is equal to 40. Then we're going to divide both sides of the equation by 4. 4x divided by 4 is equal to x. 40 divided by 4 is equal to 10. Then we use the value of x into our original equation. 4 is to 5 is equal to 8 is to 10. Let's multiply the extremes. 4 times 10 is equal to 40, and 5 times 8 is equal to 40. Therefore, the value of x, which is 10, is correct. I hope that you understand our lesson for today, and thank you for watching our video.